Welcome to the Beginner Interior Design Course Series outline. Get ready to transform your living spaces. This YouTube series is designed to take you from a total beginner to confidently designing a room that reflects your style and needs. Whether you own, rent, or dream of becoming an interior designer, this course is for you. Our goal is to make design accessible and fun. The course is broken down into 5 focused modules, covering everything from foundational concepts to the final styling touches. We kick off with Module 1, Setting the Foundation. This is where the magic begins by defining the core elements of your space. The first lesson is how to define the function and mood of a room. Understanding the purpose and desired feeling of a space is crucial for successful design. Next up is Module 2, Mastering Color and Light. These 2 elements are powerful tools in any designer's toolkit. Our second lesson, How Color and Light Set the Mood of a Room, will teach you how to use them intentionally to achieve your desired atmosphere. Module 3 focuses on furniture layout and flow. Good flow makes a room feel intuitive and comfortable. In How to Arrange Furniture for Comfort and Flow, you'll learn the principles of spatial arrangement for an intentional design. Module 4 is all about selecting supporting elements. These are the pieces that tie the whole room together. We cover choosing the right supporting elements, like rugs, curtains, and lighting to enhance your design. Finally, Module 5, the final touches. This is where you transform a furnished room into a styled home. Our last lesson is how to style a room without clutter. Master the art of decor and by the end of this 5-module course, you will have all the knowledge needed to execute your design vision. The ultimate outcome? You can confidently design one intentional, functional, and cohesive room in your home. Ready to begin? Click the link below to start with Lesson 1 and define the function and mood of your space.